Good afternoon, Mr. Yayo. Today we will try to explain our assignment about
Okay,
DOF.
before we start our explanation, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Asarvian, and my student number is 43 111 and 85. And this is my friend.
Yes, my name is Samantha Erlangga. My student number is 43 111 0089. And this is my friend.
Okay, my name is Arista Donangdaini. My student number 43 111 Okay, next, my friend.
Okay, my name is Fahmi Pamungkas and my student number is 43 111
In many scientific fields, the degrees of freedom of system is the number of parameters of the system that may vary independently. It is a number of parameters that determine the state of physical system, and it's important to analyze the system of bodies in mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, robotics, and structural engineering. In structural engineering, DOF or DOF is the number of displacement quantities which must be considered in order to represent the effect of all significant inertial forces. For example, the position of rigid body in space is defined by three components of translation and three components of rotation, which means that it has 6 degrees of freedom. What is translation? The translation is function that move every point in constant distance in a specified direction. The translation can be described as a rigid motion, and the other rigid motion include rotation and reflection. A translation can also be interpreted as the addition of a constant vector to every point, or as shifting the region of the coordinate system. So what is rotation? Rotation is a circular movement of an object around center or point of rotation. A three-dimensional object rotates always around an imaginary line called a rotation axis. If the axis is within the body and passes through its center of mass body, is said to rotate upon itself or spin. What is 6 degree of freedom or 6 DOF? 6 DOF. It refers to the freedom of movement of a rigid body in three-dimensional space. Specifically, the body is free to move forward or backward, up or down, left or right, combined with rotation about three perpendicular axes. For example, the motion of ship at the sea has 6 degrees of freedom of a rigid body and is described as translation move. First, moving up and down, weaving. Second, moving left and right, swaying. Third, moving forward and backward, or surging. And rotation move. First, tilt forward and backward, pitching. Second, swivel right and left, yawing. Third, pivot side to side, rolling. Okay. In DOF or DOF, there are two conditions of DOF system, degree of freedom system. First, single degree of freedom or SDOF, SDOF system is a system whose motion is defined just by a single independent coordinate or function, which is a function of time. SDOF systems are often used as a very crude approximation for a generally much more complex system. However, behavior of the SDOF system is probably the most important topic to master in structural dynamics. This is because the behavior of more complex systems, whose motion needs to be described by several coordinates, could be treated as if they are simply collection of several SDOF systems. Hence, understanding of SDOF system is prerequisite. Second, multiple degree of freedom or MDOF system is a system whose motion is defined by a multiple independent coordinate or function, which is a function of time. The general case for a multiple degree of freedom system will use to show how the frequency response function of a structure are related to the model vectors of that structure. So that's all we know about DOF DOF, degree of freedom. Sorry if there is any mistake in our assignment. Thank you for your attention, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.